Greetings. Life is wow, full of opportunities. Yes, all of us are learning every day. So, yesterday I was talking to my boss, Neetu Sharma ma'am. She said, stress to hota hi nahi hai. I was so delighted, and I have to talk on stress, exam stress, facing exams with a smile. तो नीतू मैम ने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली कि स्ट्रेस है ही नहीं, स्ट्रेस बना ही नहीं. Stress is no preparation and self-doubt. It is self-created. When we attach learning as the outcome, there is joy. तो learning पे focus करो, learning को goal बना लो. That's magic. अब learning करनी कैसे? Preparation करनी कैसे? So our brain learns in many ways. There are input styles, there are output styles. Input की अगर हम बात करें, if I am a talker, then I should be reading, learning, using my mouth. Loud reading करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि बोलना अच्छा लगता है. So I keep repeating loudly. My mouth energy is used. My brain energy in the left temporal lobe, which is responsible for talking, is used well. And when I talk, the brain is registering the answers, the lessons. So there's a lot of masti. जिसमें ब्रेन माहिर है, वो मेरा लर्निंग स्टाइल बन जाता है. नंबर 2, कान. If it is super strong, right temporal lobe of the brain is functioning very well, is fully energized and charged. And you know what? You should ask your friend to read loudly and tell you stories and teach you. So the second input style is through ears. So sounds में मजा आ रहा है. Left temporal, right temporal of the brain is talking and listening. This is called as auditory method of learning. या तो तुम बोलो, या तो आप सुन लो. Number 2, visual learning style. Chalo, let's make tables, graphs, flow charts, infographics, convert all the essays in pictorial form. That's left occipital. Engineering drawing भी उसी में आता. So I just glance like Vivekanand ji and the learning happens. This is left occipital, visual learning style. उनकी observation अच्छी होती. They observe very well. And when I add colors, that becomes right occipital. I can use highlighters, markers, using a whiteboard, black, blue, green. मजा आ रहा है. And as I see it, I remember the book, I remember the color, and I draw with colors. That becomes right occipital. Visual style of learning. Physics, chemistry, biology, all science subjects are into visual. History, geography, languages are into auditory. Then the third learning style is काइनेस्थेटिक, हाथों को यूज करना, बॉडी को यूज करना, डांसिंग, जुम्बा, योगा, राइट पेराइटल लो, लेफ्ट पेराइटल इज मैथमेटिक्स,
खाना वाना
स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिखो, राइट।
फिर रात को आप आई थी।
प्रिया मैम, म्यूट प्लीज, थैंक यू। So then I start writing, doing mathematics, practicing. I repeat by writing. Dadi Amma style. She said, बेटा मेमोरी बढ़ानी है तो देखो, बोलो और लिखो. Combine the VAK, visual, auditory and kinesthetic together. जब हम एक स्टाइल अपनाते हैं, थोड़ी देर के बाद ब्रेक चाहिए, 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट, 20 मिनट. But when I combine, my duration increases. VAK. This is the easiest way to increase your memory also. जब मेरी प्रिपरेशन अच्छी होगी, फिर एग्जाम का काहे का डर. So that is the easiest way to learn and celebrate. Okay? अगली बात, मेमोरी प्रोफाइल. मेमोरी को कैसे बढ़ाएं? There are 3 memories. Sensory memory, shortest memory. You're listening very carefully. But then what happens? From sensory memory, it goes into short-term memory. It's also called as working memory. So sensory memory is like post-it notes. काम के हैं, लेकिन उड़ जाते हैं. Few seconds, भूल गए. Working memory or short-term memory is like rough notes. We go to seminars and on pads. Those notes are useful. If your working memory is good, you will prefer last-minute preparation. You can do really well. You can write on your own. And you remember only for short time. Exam से एक दिन पहले पढ़ो और score marks. When fair notes are rehearsed and when rough notes are rehearsed and made into fair notes, it gets into the long-term memory. With revision, you start storing. Long-term memory is your private room, the hard disk of the brain. Short-term memory is like RAM. तो RAM से दुनिया चलती है, स्पीड भी अच्छी होती है. Long-term memory is the hard disk. That can be borrowed also. These days, Google is having everything. So don't worry of mugging up and all. And long-term memory, your rote learning is used only in school, college. First 20 years. I'm not saying it is bad. But kahe itna bojta? Yes, do your best. Learn the definitions, learn the formulas, learn the methods. But then don't be so rigid. याद नहीं आ रही, याद नहीं आ रही, याद नहीं आ रही. टेंशन थोड़ी लेनी. So short-term memory, you will write your own definition. Working memory is really, really good, useful throughout your life. It helps you stay in the present. Long-term memory is anyways past. पता है 4th standard में ना ऐसे हुआ. ठीक है. Right? So revision and preparation will help you succeed and make you face life exams with a smile. Now coming to the output styles. Learning हमने कर ली. VAK. हमें practice करनी है और output देना है. Practice करनी है. Extra practice करनी है. Output कैसे देना है? Through multiple intelligences. मिल के पढ़ लो. Friends, I'm going to teach you. And when I teach, I retain 90%. And when I'm only passive listener, I may not even retain. I'll forget. इसलिए वो कोड बना है. What I hear, I forget. What I see, I remember. But what I do, I learn. So learning by doing is powerful. So I had a lot of friends. They used to tell me, जो भी सीखा है बांटो, सिखाओ सिखाओ सिखाओ. नवज्योति इंडिया फाउंडेशन, वहां भी हमने देखा, all the students gained their confidence by teaching, by becoming leaders. Navjyoti Bal Gurukul has 750 teachers, as young as 6-year-old, teaching ABC, A, E, E, 1, 2, 3, and they're teaching 8,500 children. It's possible. When you teach, you grow in confidence. What you teach, you remember. And in one of the transformational habits in our book, co-authored with Santosh, 5 habits of transformational teaching. Usme ek habit is students as co-teachers. You want to smile while learning? You want to make learning beautiful? Teach others. Why? You become strong in concept. And you are answering the doubts of your friends. And you're explaining. You're not just telling the definition. You're not just telling the formula. You're also telling the methodology, application of the formula. देख ये सब आएगा ना ऐसे कर. That's the magic. So it's possible that you can be a star learner, because star learners become performers. अब नेगेटिविटी आएगी, डर भी आएगा, worry भी होगी. What will we do? So let's do an experiment. People may criticize us. People may tell us, hey, you cannot do it. So what happens is, it's something like this. Right? Some negativity in the form of black ink is put in your brain, and the plain water, fresh, solid, beautiful brain, which was absorbing everything like a Montessori child. Who wants to dance? I want to dance. But then slowly it got polluted. Pappu can't dance. You can't do maths. Not only from others, you heard it from yourself also. I don't know trigonometry. I don't know analytical geometry. And so much more. You just keep go on and on and on with negative self-doubt. Friend telling you something, mommy telling you something, and now it's becoming pitch dark. Correct? Don't worry. Now see, I have a solution. अभी काला हो गया, नेगेटिव थॉट्स व्हाट्सएप डाल दिया, दोस्त ने डाल दिया, मैम ने डाल दिया, देख भाई को, देख भाई कितना अच्छा कर रहा है. करेक्ट? नो प्रॉब्लम. शर्मा जी की लड़की को देख कितना अच्छा पढ़ती है. You're in the same class, still you don't know. Look at your own sister. Even teachers scold, you know. So it's okay. So now we start pouring good thoughts. I am the best. I can do it. I am capable of handling wonderful things. I am a genius. I can do wonders. I am possible. If I have done well, I will do it. There is no stress. I can do it. मैंने अच्छी तैयारी की है. मैं कर सकती हूँ. मैं कर सकता हूँ. And then you see, your brain is filled with positive thoughts. और क्या लगा? क्या लगा? सिर्फ एक बॉटल ऑफ पॉजिटिव थॉट्स. तो ये कब करना है? जैसे रोज नहाते हो, जैसे रोज सोते हो. So you can rewire your brain with positivity and self-belief. Easy na? Next time when somebody tells you, you can't do it, I can do it. Easy. So, if you all have paper and pen, you can draw a small balloon and write down stressed. STRESSED. और जब बैलून को बर्स्ट कर दोगे तो वो लेटर्स इधर उधर होके क्या बन जाएगा? डेजर्ट. और डेजर्ट तो सबको अच्छी लगती है ना. डिजर्ट, हॉट चॉकलेट फज. So it is possible that we all make our lives beautiful, sweet, sweet dish, and masti bhari. Right? Yes. So stressed becomes desert. Mess plus age with age becomes a message, and you are born to give your unique message to the world. क्या चाहिए? सिर्फ सेल्फ बिलीफ, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, सेल्फ मोटिवेशन. हमेशा थोड़ी बाहर से मोटिवेशन दे दो. कभी कभी सेल्फ ऑयलिंग करनी पड़ती. वी गेट स्टक. सो मशीन में ऑयल डालो. साइकिल की चेन में भी ऑयल डालो. पुराने जमाने में मशीन होती थी, स्विंग मशीन. इवन द डोर्स एंड द फैंस, हिंजेस में, और वो ऊपर जो कुछ डालते हैं, याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे फैन में क्या होता है, बट जब वो आवाज करता है तो ऑयलिंग का. तो हमारा दिल भी शोर करता है. दिल क्यों ये मेरा शोर करे. तो तब मेंटर ढूंढ लो, है ना. तो इट इज वेरी इजी. समथिंग लाइक दिस. You know, life is like a candle. You may be upset. You may be very upset. And you may get blown off. बत्ती बुझ गई तो आपका छोटा भाई आएगा कभी कभी और वो जला देगा. सिंपल. साइज डज नॉट मैटर, है ना. Even the little ones can be our mentor. सर डर लग रहा है, फिर से बुझ गई. करेक्ट. पकड़ लो ऋषि सर को. He'll arrange another session for you. Sir, I went to a party, I forgot everything. No problem. Find your teacher. And be friends. Be in touch with your friends, teachers, parents. Develop a support system. Right? So it is possible. And we learn from the flame. to always stay motivated. कभी देखा है फ्लेम डाउन हो गई है, ऐसे अगर टेढ़ा भी करूंगा ना तो भी फ्लेम ऊपर ही रहती है, देखो फ्लेम इज ऑलवेज पॉइंटिंग अपवर्ड्स. सो दिस इज द सीक्रेट. अपने आप को मोटिवेटेड रखो भैया. सोच ब्रांडेड होनी चाहिए, सिर्फ कपड़े नहीं. फेसबुक पोस्ट का डायलॉग कॉपी किया ना मैंने, करेक्ट. Sometimes I have to copy all those memes and dialogues. My youngsters are watching. So I'm also a little modern, though I look very old. Yeah. So let us promise ourselves to stay motivated, pointed, single pointed, focused. Refuse to be miserable because the brain is listening. What you do, so you become. Self-talk, communication is important. But what you communicate to yourself is more important. Self-talk, thoughts, quality of thoughts is very important. Hana? We do another beautiful exercise in NLP to rewire our brain. What is that? That we are beyond, infinite, eternal, and not this little instruments, choti si brain. There are so many greats like Mahatma Gandhi, Jack Ma, Steve Jobs. उनके पास भी उतना ही साइज का ब्रेन था. आइंस्टाइन, एडिसन, है ना? So it is possible for you to become great. But how? You do 3 things. You should say, I love you. Face the mirror and say, I love you. Love your inner Niyati, inner Sugita. So important. Na? Have we loved ourselves? We all have become beggars of love. Always beggar mentality, scarcity mindset. Not good. So what can we do? Just say, I love you. What love you are expecting from others? Love yourself. That will bring a smile to your inner Sugita, Niyati, Priya, Rishi sir, and so many more. Yeah. And then tell, I'm sorry. Because sometimes from the queen throne, I come down as a beggar. Nobody loves me. And then self-doubt. Can I do my example? And then self-doubt and fear of exam, of public speaking or any event or any sport. So tell yourself, I'm sorry. Because you're infinite and God is not partial. Nature is not partial. If your dad is successful, you can also be successful. If your neighbor is successful, you can also be successful. If your enemies are successful, you can also be successful. वैसे तो enemies होने नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि हमने enemies पाल रखे हैं, तो हमारे brain में mirror neurons होते हैं, वो hatred, jealousy, gossip पैदा करते हैं. तो जब मैं किसी की बुराई कर रहा हूं, my brain is attracting and behaving because of mirror neurons. Suppose I say Sugita is so bad. Means what? Sunny is worst. Sunny's brain is also producing bad neurons, bad feelings. Beware. So if you are in good company, if you are happy, if you are cheerful, if you are positive, if you are filled with gratitude to your teachers, if you have devotion, you are bound to succeed, right? Because you're born to succeed. So two things, what will you say? I love you and I'm sorry. Take care of yourself. Self-care and self-love have lots of power, right? Now the third thing, what will you say? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Why? Whatever your age is, 11, 15, 17, 20, 30, 40, 50 year olds are also watching. So what will I say? Thank you. Why? You lived successfully for 15 into 365, close to 5,000 plus days into 24 hours. 5,000 into 24, almost 1 lakh hours. Huh? That's a great achievement. And for someone who has lived 50 years, has spent almost 16,500 days on the planet. Truly an achievement. I don't want to multiply further into 24 or into 60 into 60 and tell you in seconds. So you have done a lot of things. And in NLP, they say you should learn circle of excellence, should learn anchoring, should anchor yourself to new heights. And you should imagine the world is applauding and there's a red carpet. No, sir, I like a sparkling star. Great. And you're standing on that star and you have a magic wand like an angel. Just feel the feeling. So that's called visualization. Using all senses. You see it, you hear it, you hear the applause, you hear the appreciative words, and then you rewire your brain. That's the way to face life or school exams or life exams. Because life is an examination with all question papers different. So don't copy others. I went to Karur. I met two sisters. One of them very successful. The other one is going to be successful. But there was constant comparison. दीदी सुंदर है, दीदी गोरी है, दीदी सक्सेसफुल है. I am not successful. I am not fair enough. And the second child, no, is usually ignored sometimes. And we all develop complexes, self-created fears, doubts, and we rewire our brain badly. So you need someone to tell you, to remind you that you are special. Don't compare. Great! Sugita is in a Ferrari. She's going at 400 miles an hour. But maybe you're born to fly. And your directions, your destinations, your destiny is completely different. Someone maybe a South Indian wants to go to Guruvayur and get married. And you are simply jealous. You may be, destined to go to a holiday to Kashmir and get married. Is there a comparison? No. But our mind is a beggar. It wants to compare. My sister got this, I got this. My friend got this, I got this. So this begging mentality should end. Otherwise, you will forget that you are a born king and queen. In fact, king of kings, queen of queens. So it's time to grow up here, because age is just automatic. Maturity is optional, is a choice, right? Think So now I open up the stage to you all. You can ask me questions, or you can tell what you like the most. It could be demos, it could be jokes, it could be those statements which I told with a lot of smile. So let's start with Sugita, because I can see the bird and her photo in front. So you can switch on the camera and tell me, what have you learned?
Sugita, we can't hear you if you are speaking. No, we're still not able to hear you, Sugita.
I think she was on mute.
No, now she's on mute, but
Okay. So one by one, we can take their feedback, learnings, introductions. Niyati, Ashwini. Yes, Sugita.
or you can type also, Sugita, if you have
Yeah,
issue with.
sometimes they get into the makeup mode.
I think Ashwini, you can start in that time maybe. Then Sugita would figure out the audio issue. If you like to say, Ashwini types something in the chat.
Yeah, Ashwini, I
Hello,
would
sir.
like to hear your voice. Thank you.
Hello, sir. This is Niyati this side.
Hi, Niyati.
Yeah, sir. I like all the experiments you showed to, basically I'm a mother of a son. So I especially join of course, how to motivate him for the exams and, improvise myself first to support him.
Correct.
So, but yeah, I really like the way you explain that ink one example and then candle and three things that you showed. Very nice. It is. It's always good to hear you, sir. So I'm very happy. I joined on time, and yeah, it was nice.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Niyati,
much.
ma'am. So it's more for parents only, because children these days are smart, and we parents are only worrying because we are older generation.
No, and what you said is true. I mean, we are actually a source of maybe a negative thought. I mean, we do comparison. We sometimes not knowingly but unknowingly feel that negativity in them. So very nice lesson. Actually, I learn and like I'll
Ma'am,
definitely
you are
follow
wonderful,
this.
and I truly feel you are an angel, and it is not your fault. We are all brought up in that manner, and they are all testing us, training us, and helping us grow. So we are learning every day. I also fall, I also compare, but I learn. Then I bring back my smile. Then I become aware that all children are my children, all children are geniuses, right? So
Right.
then we start believing in them. So it is not your fault. You can celebrate from now on. And what is gone is gone.
Yes, yes.
Now take the water bottle and start filling. It doesn't take more than one water bottle of good thoughts.
No, true, very true, sir. Surely, yeah.
You will be the best mother, and you are the best mother.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Niyati.
And it is always, it is a pleasure hearing you, sir. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Ashwini, now your turn.
Yes, sir. How are you, sir? I
मैं
really
बहुत-
like the way in which you smile, the genuine smile.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, I'm gonna face my exams in a week, so it is the best part. I find it here, sir. I joined in between. I really felt sorry for that, but then
No.
the experiment which you did at the end of the session was very good, and somehow got the point from the session. Thank you so much, sir. And
I
I
wish you
try
the
to smile
best.
like you. I try to smile like you because nowadays, when we see people, they are very they smile very fakely, you know. So I find somehow your smile is a genuine smile. Keep it up, sir. Thank
I
you.
like
Thank you.
your blessings and I wish you all the best.
Thank
And
you
you
so
are
much.
Queen of Queens, Angel of Angels, and you will spread smiles and you will make yourself proud and you will say 3 things to yourself. I love you, I'm sorry, and I'm thanking you.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, do this every day and you will feel so much of infinite strength in you. There is infinite grace and choices, blessings of nature, and it is impartial.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
All the best. I think Sugita is now connected.
Sunny uncle, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Very audible. Thank you.
Sunny uncle, I really liked your session, but I joined a little bit late, so I think I missed the first part of your session.
Good. Those were old jokes for you. But you tell the new joke, what you learned. Did you see the experiment?
Yes, I liked the ink experiment the best.
Okay. The candle was not good, is it?
The candle was also okay, but I've never seen the ink experiment before.
அப்படியா என்னம்மா அது சின்மையில டெய்லி பண்றது தானே
இல்ல பண்ணதே இல்ல uncle எங்களுக்கு.
ஐயோ okay, no problem.
But I like the ink experiment really nice.
And even this is the latest. I added a YouTube video today only on self-care, self-oiling, self-motivation. And yes, you can always have Amma with the oil running after you. And that is why I got 2 candles. You could be a candle for someone. And you can always be a candle to millions of lives, right? And I'm sure you are, and you will be forever. And I trust you blindly for your skills, for your brain design, for your learning styles. Just work hard in the last minute, as you always do. I was speaking about working memory. It suits you the best. And if you can combine visual, auditory, speaking loudly, hearing from Amma, hearing your own voice, and also writing. If you can combine these 3, your memory will shoot up.
Thank you.
And you are born to shine. Thank you. And I'm happy to see you. Confident smile. Thank you.
I like your smile also, Sunny uncle.
Thank you, Sugita. Thank you. You made my day. Rishi sir, closing comments? Is anyone there? I could see these 3.
No, I can't. But from my side, yes, it was really a good session, Sunny ji. I think it was really nice, and yes, it's so beneficial for everyone. Not I can understand it's not only for kids, but there are some lessons for the people like adults and everyone like parents, and as well as those. I mean, it's a life lessons, right? I mean, how to not only the face exam, of course the topic is face exams because right now it is going on, right? But the thing is, it is also about life lessons, like because in a life we are always giving exams. One or other way, right?
Every day is an exam
Every day.
for us.
Yeah.
And We just need to be aware, careful, and prepared.
Yes. So yes. So I think that's a wonderful message, I guess. I mean, yes, it's all about be prepared and be acceptable also. Yes. Great
Thank
session,
you
sir.
so much. Thank you, everyone. We look forward to meeting you in future sessions.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Have a nice Sunday. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.